Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a Penguin number 10419 petrol lighter, heavily tarnished. I believe it's made of brass except for the snuffer. At least that's the way it looks to me. You know the normal caveat. I'm not a metals expert. It's great when you get a lighter that you don't have to do anything to. You just add fuel, maybe freshen up the flint, and I thought that's where I was headed with this one. And then as soon as I got it sparking, I realized the wick was way too short, so I had to re-wick the lighter, which took a few minutes but was no problem. This lighter shows plenty of wear, dings, dents, scuffs, tarnish, scrapes, etc., corrosion. I kind of like the look of the tarnish, and I think I would like the look even better with it clean. In other words, polished. But at that point you've lost its evidence of age. You've lost its age in a way. So anyway, I don't know. We'll see. Still contemplating. Nothing no other markings other than the Penguin number 10419 on the bottom. Nothing fancy here, just a plain old fill screw. You can see the nice clean organic cotton that I put in there. And the wadding that came out of this lighter was really nasty. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can also leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. As you can see, not much wear or burn to that wick yet, and this appears to be a very efficiently lighting lighter. It works very well. I like the look of it, so I was excited to do the video just from that standpoint. But then once I started striking it, and it just kept firing right up, and I'm excited to use it a little bit and make the video, and it's a solid lighter. The flint spring is just a straight screwdriver, screw head, so nothing fancy here like with some of the other Japanese roller lighters. The Cygnus, Viscount, and those. This one just screws in. No self-actuating mechanism or anything like that. So we get that screwed back down good and tight. If you haven't had a chance to go over to eBay and look at the Dependable Flame store, check out our current listings, go over there and make sure that you get a look at the penny start auctions. We'll list 3 of those a month, usually one right after the other. As one ends, the next one starts. Shipping is always free on all my listings, so those auctions are no different. But they start at a penny. They run for 10 days. Wherever they end, you get the lighter. You pay the amount. That amount, entire amount, goes to HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America. And then you get the lighter mailed to you. Everyone's happy. So as I said, make sure you get over there and check those out, and check back frequently, because there will be a new one every 10 days or so. About 3 of those a month. Some of these lighters also, it seems to me that I may be at a disadvantage as a left-handed person. Some of the way that the thumb strikes it and is held, it just seems like it's better with a right-handed person. So I don't know exactly that's the case, but with my carpal tunnel being what it is in both hands, I'm going to have the need to strike them with both hands anyway. Until next time.